In front of me is Apple iPhone 13 mini, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this device. So first of all, just open the camera app and now tap on this more icon, select this clock icon which is for timer and pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me go with 10 seconds and now you can see that the picture would be grabbed after 10 seconds, so you can see the countdown on the screen. And that's it. As you can see, it has been grabbed, and then if you'd like to switch the timer off, just click here again and select off. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.